Welcome to the tutorial of GYENNO SKYWALK Lite. Before the first use, the device needs to be charged for at least 3 hours. Insert the AI center, laser emitter, and 2 data collectors into the charging base. Plug micro USB port of the cable into the charging base. Plug the USB port of the cable into a USB adapter with a 5V2A output. When the indicator is constantly yellow, the device is charging. When the indicator light turns green and always on, the device is fully charged. These are all the straps needed to wear in the waist mode. First, take out the waist straps. Pull the strap out of the gray buckle, and please follow the video instructions to wear the waist strap correctly and make sure the buckle is facing the same direction as shown in the video. Pick up the laser emitter and insert it into the slot on the waist strap. Then take out the left ankle and right ankle straps. The one with blue L is the left ankle strap. The one with red R is the right ankle strap. And tie them around your left and right ankles respectively. Make sure that the 2 device buckles are positioned on the outside of your ankles and facing the same direction as shown in the video. Remove 2 data collectors from the charging base. The one marked with L is the left foot data collector. The one marked with R is the right foot data collector. Insert the data collectors into the slots on the left and right ankle straps according to the mark letters. Make sure the arrows on the data collectors are pointing forward after inserting them into the slots. Remove the fully charged AI center from the charging base. You can wrap it around the strap loop at the bottom of the AI center. Insert the earphone into the 3.5mm socket on the AI center, then put on the earphone. There are 2 daily wearing methods for the AI center. Wear it on the wrist, or put it in your pocket. Press the power button on the AI center to activate the laser line. After activating, you can see the visual cue, the laser auxiliary line on the ground. Make sure to avoid direct exposure of the laser to your eyes. At the same time, you can hear the auditory cue, the rhythmic tick-tock sound from the earphone. Twist the top of the laser emitter to adjust the distance of the laser line from the body, and rotate the knob at the laser port to adjust its angle. Please make sure that the laser line is parallel to the line connecting your toes and is 1 step away from your body in front of you. Search for GYENNO SKYWALK in the Google Play or App Store. Download and install the mobile application. Register a new account and log in. Click on the device button. In the pop-up menu, slide right and select SKYWALK Lite, then click Pair button. Scan the QR code at the back of AI Center. Then check the pair status. At first, click on the Wi-Fi button. Make sure the AI Center in the charging base and in charging status. Click on the next button and wait for Bluetooth connection. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter the password. Please note that the device only supports 2.4G frequency band. Wait for the device to complete network configuration and pop up a connection successful prompt. Thank you for watching the tutorial of GYENNO SKYWALK Lite. Now go take a walk.